Hello friends, welcome back to Life Change Library, your trusted space for powerful insights, life-changing ideas, and inspiring audiobook summaries. Today, we dive deep into a bold and eye-opening work titled Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Power by Rajiv Malhotra. This audiobook is not just about the technology of AI, but about the enormous societal, political, economic, and spiritual implications it holds for our world. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or simply someone curious about how the world is changing, this summary will give you the big picture and some real food for thought. Stay with us till the end for a bonus takeaway that might just change the way you think about your digital future. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel Life Change Library, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. The AI revolution is already here. Rajiv Malhotra begins by establishing a critical fact. AI is not coming in the future, it's already here. From Siri to self-driving cars, from recommendation engines to surveillance systems, AI is embedded in our daily lives. But here's the catch. While we enjoy the convenience, most of us remain unaware of how much control AI systems already exert over our behaviors, choices, and even our values. Actionable tip: begin noticing where AI is influencing you. Awareness is the first step toward responsible engagement. Data is the new oil, and you're the oil. Well, Malhotra explains how AI runs on data. But whose data? Your data. Every time you use your phone, shop online, or even walk past a security camera, you're generating data. Tech giants use this data to train their algorithms, which then become more intelligent and powerful. Actionable tip: practice digital hygiene. Read privacy terms, adjust settings, and be mindful of what you share online. AI will create winners and losers. This isn't a neutral game. AI will concentrate power in the hands of those who control its development. Rajiv warns that countries and corporations with access to advanced AI capabilities will dominate others. The US and China are in a neck-and-neck race for global AI dominance. The rest of the world, if not careful, will become digital colonies. Actionable tip: equip yourself with future-ready skills. Coding, critical thinking, and digital literacy are the new must-haves. AI will challenge human identity and spirituality. This is one of the most unique aspects of Malhotra's book. He dives into the philosophical and spiritual dangers of AI. When machines start mimicking emotions, intelligence, and decision-making, what does it mean to be human? Rajiv warns that AI could undermine spiritual values by promoting materialism, narcissism, and even psychological manipulation. Actionable tip: stay grounded. Practice mindfulness, spiritual reflection, or community engagement to keep your humanity intact. India and the developing world must wake up. While the book is written from an Indian perspective, this point resonates globally. Rajiv argues that unless countries like India develop their own AI ecosystems, they will become dependent consumers of Western and Chinese technologies. He advocates for an urgent focus on AI education, policy making, and indigenous innovation. Actionable tip: support ethical and inclusive AI development. Demand transparency from tech companies and policymakers. Let's recap. AI is already influencing your life. Your data is valuable, treat it that way. There will be AI winners and losers. Prepare to be on the winning side. AI challenges our humanity, stay spiritually awake. Countries must take ownership of their digital futures. Bonus takeaway: want to stay ahead of the curve? Start reading global tech news weekly. Sites like MIT Technology Review or Wired are great places to begin. Tell us in the comments, what part of this summary surprised you the most? And what do you think about AI's role in our future? Also, let us know what audiobook you want us to summarize next. Thank you so much for joining us for this powerful summary of Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Power by Rajiv Malhotra. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message today. Check out more insightful summaries right here on Life Change Library. Follow us on our social handles in the description below. Until next time, stay aware, stay curious, and keep evolving.